Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of EC Council Certified Secure Computer User. In this session, we will discuss about the cybersecurity. So, cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting digital systems, network devices, and sensitive information from the unauthorized access, use, theft, disruption, or destruction. So it will involve a set of technologies, processes, and practices designed to prevent and mitigate cyber threats such as malware, hacking, phishing, social engineering, insider attacks, and other form of cybercrime. So the cybersecurity aims to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and systems by implementing various security measures such as access controls, encryptions, firewalls, intrusion detection systems and intrusion prevention systems, antivirus software, and security awareness training. So the cybersecurity is crucial for organizations, businesses, governments, and individuals who are rely on digital technologies to store, process, and communicate sensitive data and information over this network. We are having two terms, cyber and the security. First is cyber, which you can say hardware, software, and the network. The combination of these three things. And the second, security, that means protection. So the cyber security, it is a combination of protection of your hardware devices, software applications, and the network devices or application as well. So how to be a secure computer user? So being a secure computer user, it will involve adopting certain habits and practices that help protect your computer and personal information from online threats. So in that case, like I'm just giving you an example, like you can use strong and unique passwords, you can keep your software up to date, you can be careful with your emails which you are getting on your mail IDs from unknown sources. You can also use antivirus software. Maybe you can practice some safe browsing, or you can be careful about the public Wi-Fi. Please don't avoid public Wi-Fi as much as you can. So there are a lot of important factors, or you can say there are a lot of methods by which you can be a secure computer user. So the next is, what is ethical hacking? So ethical hacking is also known as penetration testing, white hat hacking, offensive security, and something like that. So it is the practice of using the same methods and techniques as malicious hackers to identify vulnerabilities and security weakness in computer systems, maybe networks and applications. However, the difference is the ethical hackers performs these actions with the permissions and knowledge of the system's owner to improve its security postures. So the ethical hackers provide a comprehensive reports of their finding and suggestion measure to address the identified vulnerabilities. So these reports can help organizations to improve their security measures and minimize the risk of cyber threats. So ethical hacking is an essential practice to ensure the security and safety of sensitive information and computer system. It is also a valuable tool in the fight against cybercrime and helps organizations to strengthen their security postures. So the next is hackers and skills. As you can see that on my screen right now, hackers are using 80% of communication skills and 20% of technical skills. Yes, that is strange, but it's reality. As I have already worked with a lot of cybercrime police departments in various states, so I have observed a lot of cases which we are getting in cybercrime. Those are, most of the cases are phishing. So in phishing, they are using, hackers, or you can say attackers, are using 80% of communication skills and 20% of technical skills. So if you want to become a cyber professional, or you can say ethical hacker or professional hacker, so you should have these qualities, like you should have the Linux operating system knowledge, by which you can run multiple commands, you can run multiple permissions, or you can create or manage users or groups or many things which are based on Linux operating system. The next is networking. Obviously, networking is a part of ethical hacking because there is a security which will be required. So yes, networking will be required to gather information on ethical hacking. Third is basic programming. See, if you are not aware about some basic programming, it's fine, but somewhere you will find difficulties, like if you want to hack some website, so obviously you should have some basic programming knowledge as well. And the last but not the least, which is most important thing, and that is communication skills. So, is there any pathway to be a best cyber professional? So yes, there is a pathway which you can follow. So first of all, you need to be a secure cyber user, or you can say secure computer user. Then you can be a ethical hacker with the help of some knowledge like Linux, networking, some basic programming. So yes, you can be a ethical hacker. Then you can also go with forensic investigation in computer or maybe mobile. And also you can go through penetration testing, maybe cyber incident handler, maybe cyber security professional, or cyber analysis, network security. There are a lot of categories in which you can create your own career. So the next is job roles and scopes. So the scopes of cybersecurity is continuously expanding due to increasing dependence on technologies and digital systems in various sectors, like information technology security, network security, application security, cloud security, IoT security, industrial control system security, cyber forensic. So there are a lot of categories which you can find out in scopes of cybersecurity. But with the increasing demand of cybersecurity professionals, there are numerous career opportunities in this field, like cybersecurity analyst, network security engineer, information security consultant, cybersecurity manager, and many others. So as technologies continues to advance, the scope of cybersecurity is expected to expand further. So it will create a new job opportunities and challenges for cybersecurity professionals. So don't get hooked, think before you click. Stay protected while you are connected with network.